make a schedule, follow it regularly, solve past year questions, and you will definitely rock it. Hello everyone, this is Shomojit Kaur. I was born and brought up in Durgapur, West Bengal. I completed my undergraduation from Institute of Science, Banaras Hindu University, with zoology as my honors subject, along with botany and chemistry. I qualified GAT B with an All India rank of 14 in General Unreserved category. I also qualified HCU entrance test for animal biology and biotechnology and biochemistry with an All India rank of 9 and 33 as well. I also qualified IIT JAM in biotechnology. So I started preparing for these entrances a bit late, like around early January to 2021. Now for GAT B, the most important topics in biology section are mostly from modern biology, like biochemistry, molecular biology, cell biology, genetics, microbiology, immunology, recombinant DNA technology, and biotechniques. Now, for all of these, to just crack the exam, I think Pathfinder is more than enough with its MCQ book. But in case you have a specific interest in any of these topics, I would suggest you to go for the standard author books, whichever you find easy to read. Like, for example, in my case, I find Benjamin A. Pierce for genetics an excellent read, and QB for immunology is also very good. Other than that, you can refer Leninger for biochemistry, and Alberts for cell and molecular biology, and Wilson and Walker for biotechnics. So these are the major topics to focus on. Along with that, some basic topics from human and plant animal physiology, ecology, and evolution are also sometimes asked in the paper. Now, for that, the basic 11 and 12 knowledge is enough for these topics from the NCERT book or any coaching module that you have from your PMT. Now, for the scariest part, for most of the biology aspirants, is the physics, chemistry, and maths part. That is the section A part. Now, what I suggest is that do not go for all of those topics in that is 11 and 12 books. Do an analysis of the past year questions and understand the particular topics from which questions are being repeatedly asked. Now, prepare these topics from the NCERT or any board level book that you have and solve their multiple choice questions from the previous year questions. Do understand your strong and weak points and prepare accordingly. Like if your chemistry is strong, then prepare such that you can attempt maximum of the chemistry questions correctly, because we do not have to attempt all the questions here. Now, coming to my strategy, first of all, the strategy for every aspirant will be different from the other aspirant. But then again, I'll obviously share my strategy. What I used to do, I used to read and understand the theory portions from the basic concept, any book first, and then it was preferably during the morning time. I used to read these basic concepts and understand the topic first. Then I used to solve the MCQs from any standard book, and then finally go for the previous year questions and solve that particular topic from the previous papers. Now, solving previous year questions is very, very important. Like, go on, sit with a stopwatch and solve a whole paper in a sitting. Now, for GAT B, only two papers are available, I know, that is this year's paper 2021 and 2020. But if you want, you can go on and solve the JNU CEB papers. They'll definitely help you in your preparation. Now, there is another dilemma which I faced, that whether to join a coaching institute or not. I'll say it totally depends upon you. If you are having a time after college and resources to attend the coaching classes, go for them. Otherwise, self-study is more than enough. As for my case, I did not join any coaching. I did some free live sessions from these classes, and the rest you can find in any book. If books are not present, there is a huge amount of online resource which is available, which you can always refer to. Now, last but not the least, I would like to thank Kavish Academy ma'am for giving me this opportunity to share this message to all the aspirants, next year aspirants. The Telegram group of Kavish Academy has been a big help because you get to interact with your fellow colleagues there, those who are preparing with you as well from all over India. Your doubts are solved by someone or the other, and most importantly, daily quizzes are held which help in preparation. Lastly, my suggestions for the 2022 aspirants will be that make a schedule, follow it regularly, solve past year questions, and you will definitely rock it. A couple of days before the exam, eat light and healthy, drink a lot of water, and don't stress yourself. You are definitely gonna go to your good dream college. Thank you for listening. Thank you.